Welcome back. The U.S. House of Representatives working on a bill they say would prevent law enforcement from abusing their power.
But Perry's police chief says it would actually cause more harm than good. Megan Western explains.
Attorney Lars Anderson handles asset forfeiture cases about twice a year.
I've had one that involved a house, and they were going to seize the house.
Under asset forfeiture laws, law enforcement can seize property that's allegedly involved in a crime, then keep it or sell it.
Some people lose a significant amount of cash. They may lose their car.
This can happen even if they're never arrested, charged, or convicted of a crime.
Well, from the client's perspective, it's obviously very difficult because the vehicle's probably their primary means of transportation to and from work.
He says you don't want to handle this on your own.
You do need to seek legal counsel.
The U.S. House of Representatives is now working on House Bill 1525 called the FAIR Act. It says people at risk of losing large property should have legal counsel. But in Perry, the city council last week passed a resolution opposing the bill, and the police chief is worried.
If they pass this as it's written, it will be detrimental to law enforcement as a whole.
Under the bill, police wouldn't be able to keep and use the money they get from seizures. Everidge says they use this money to buy equipment, pay for officer trainings, or give back to the community.
Educational material for kids, and anti-drug, and anti-gang, and anti-bully information.
The bill also raises the level of evidence needed to keep or take people's assets, and Everidge says it would keep crime on the streets longer.
And maybe one or two people go to jail, but the organization still is financially sound, so it continue to operate.
Everidge says he believes in proper due process, but this bill isn't the way to go. Megan Western, 13 WMAZ News.
The American Civil Liberties Union says it supports asset forfeiture reform and a fair bill.
The organization also says many police departments seize property based on profit rather than fighting crime.